Upon accessing Camtasia, users will be presented with the following pop-up unless disabled by the user during a previous viewing. Here, users may create a new project, dive right into recording, or open an existing project. The 8 most recent projects are also available here. This pop-up also includes links to video tutorials from TechSmith. Once a project opens, a user has access to the global navigation bar, the stage, the editing tools, and the timeline, which is where we will build the content that is viewed within the stage. Before working with content, users should verify the project settings. Access project settings via the File option within the global navigation bar. Here, a user can manage the stage dimensions and the default background color. Content that will be used in the timeline and viewed on the stage is managed within the media bin or media library. The bin contains content for this specific project, while the library is available for any project open within this version of Camtasia on the user's machine. Content can be recordings, other video content such as MP4s, audio files, and images. When working with images, PNG is the recommended file type, as it retains any transparent layers, making for cleaner visuals. Add media by clicking the plus sign and selecting from your local machine. Once included in the bin or library, add content to the timeline by clicking and dragging. The space the media takes up within the timeline is the duration for which it will appear. Here, we see an MP4, which has a set duration, unless the user modifies the clip speed. Users can resize or adjust the media scale within the stage using the handles, or editing the media settings. The system automatically retains the pixel aspect ratio. Holding Shift while using the handles will break this ratio and should be avoided. The timeline uses layers similar to Photoshop. Layers can contain any media, such as audio or visual. Layering visuals works similar to stacking images in Photoshop. Add additional layers by dragging more content to the timeline or by right-clicking on the timeline. Remember, you can adjust the duration an image or content will appear by simply adjusting the space it takes up within the timeline.